Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Astro Debanwita, and today I came back with a new tutorial video of tarot reading, and this video is all about the Devil card in the Major Arcana suit of the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. So before beginning with the tutorial session or free tarot lesson session of this particular tarot card, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. Thank you. So if the Devil card is studied, then it could be seen that it is the 15 number card of the Major Arcana Tarot deck, and also it is the 16th card of the Major Arcana Tarot deck. So if somehow some kind of remedy to this card provided to any of the person in whose reading this card is coming, then the remedy should be provided of the planet Venus in the southeast direction of any area or the house, since the energy of this card is totally dealing with the energy of Venus. So let's explore the meaning of all the symbols and meaning of this card. So now if we look at this card, it could be seen that, so if the card is seen or studied of this Devil card, then it could be clearly indicated that somehow a person who is totally of Devil type is keeping a man and a lady under his trap with the help of a chain. Keeping a man and a lady who both are lovers under his control with the help of a chain. Now, if the pose of the Devil is seen in this card, then it could indicate some kind of subversion of the angel's pose in the Lover's card. His hands are also subversion of the High Priestess's pose. Here, the Devil's hands are open, saying that everything is revealed, there is no mysteries of life. Secondly, the Devil's head is that of a goat. Its triangular shape points downwards not only to illustrate the primacy of the material world at our feet, but also to subvert the traditional upward triangle of the Trinity. There is an inverted pentagram in the tarot card. Between the Devil's horn, there is an inverted pentagram. This illustrates the darker version of occultism. There is also a torch which can be seen in the tarot card, which is on the Devil's left hand, and he holds the torch facing downwards. This can indicate traditional religious objective bringing light into the darkness. There are poses of two lovers or two humans in a free Garden of Eden. The humans were trapped in fires of hells. The two tails of humans are also seen. The woman's tail is made of grapes while the man's tail is made of fire. The grapes and the fire symbolize drunkenness and lust, and also overindulgences as well. There are chains also in the symbols, which also symbolizes that the humans can escape anytime if they want. Now, what are the keywords for this card? The main keywords for these cards are jealousy, materialism, despair, bondage, addiction, hopelessness, and severity. Now, what could this card mean whenever it comes in the tarot reading for different person in different areas of their life? So, the upward card meaning for different areas of life are showing. For love meaning are lust, selfish disregard, the lover's feeling and obsession. When this card is coming for career related aspect, it could mean that feeling trapped in job, blaming colleagues and self-sabotage. When this card comes for finances, it could also mean bad financial habits as well. Moreover, if reversed card is coming for someone's reading, then it could also mean the following things with respect to reading. A reverse card could mean that there can be some kind of handicap that you fear the most, and you should be able to overcome that through many obstacles. There can be some kind of wrong choices or disasters related to life. There could also be ill health. Nothing is clear in your life at that moment, and you should not let your past affect your present. This could also mean greed, abuse and emotional blackmail as well. There is also nothing but evil tendencies in your actions as well, which could also mean through this card. So I came to an end with the lecture of this video. I will again come back with a new video. Till that time, thank you. Namaste.